going to see here is immersive experiences. You know how we're to go towards interactive program digital out of home? Let me show you what that looks like live. So, again, we're at Digital Sign Trade Show 2023. Okay. And I'm going to walk into here. Okay. So this exhibit here, I'm walking to the center of the floor. See that? You almost get vertigo when you're inside this. It feels like immersive. It's hard to explain until you're here. But wow. Okay. So let's check out the technology of how this is happening. What you see up on the ceiling there is a bunch of short throw projectors. So they're projecting down and around, they're all synchronized so that you don't even see the stitching between the different panels, right? It feels like I'm floating through space. But you know what this is running off of? It's just running off a regular PC. Guys, imagine what this would be like if we gave the remote control over to the person in the room. Can you imagine how wild that would be? How unbelievably incredible that would be. That's the next step of what we're doing. Now you understand the value of what we're doing with real-time remote control. The next time I'm in one of these, I'm going to make it so that for the control system and the person, you can change it from one experience to another while you're in the experience. Okay, guys?
Yep.
Now you understand what that's why the remote control is so. Okay, thank you for your time.